I have a Hotpoint Aquarius tumble dryer. The empty water light was staying on. I have cleaned the condenser boo. It seems the water in the container at the bottom right is not being pumped up to the drawer at the top where it would be emptied. I therefore replaced the pump, but it still doesn't work. If I lift the section that contains the pump and the empty water light switch out of the water container, it works. It is just that the water does not get pumped up. I have checked the hoses are not blocked as well.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number, please? Regards.
It's a TCM 580.
Hi, have you checked to see if you have 240V going to the pump at the bottom? Regards.
I've not got a thing, don't know what it's called, to test it with at the moment, but can get one and do it later this evening and get back to you. Thanks.
Hi, no worries, that's fine. Once we know if Terry's 240V at the pump, we can take it from there. Regards.
There is no power to the pump or any of the cables in that box, nor the switch by the float. The only power is from the wall socket and cable going into the machine.
Hi, okay, is the dryer actually starting? If you push the micro switch down in the water chamber, will it run? Regards.
Yes. I have dried a whole load today by removing the float and pump unit so it doesn't switch the empty water light on and just letting the chamber it sits in fill with water and emptying manually so it heats and turns fine.
Hi, okay, if it's not getting any power to the pump, then it's the control unit, as this supplies the power to the pump. But to be honest, it's quite rare this fails like this. Take it the hoses going up to the water bottle. If you pull them off the pump end, you can blow through them. If so, then it's all clear. So it's a power supply to the pump which is causing this. The control board is on the side. So you need to remove the right hand side panel, and from there you will see the control board. Just check the wiring going to the board and make sure Terry's none loose. But if the wiring is fine, then it's going to be the control board, as that's all it can be. Regards.
Okay, sorry to backtrack, but realized if I empty the water container below the pump and turn it on, then there is power, toddy pump, etc. It just doesn't seem to be actually pumping. I have checked both the hoses by removing them and running water through them. The pump is a new one purchased yesterday.
Hi, okay, the supply will be fine then. Thought it was strange there wasn't any power. I think this may be a blockage somewhere in the water chamber causing this. On the water bottle at the top you will see the hose. Take this off and hang it in a bucket and run a dry cycle and see if it can pump the water out from there, as sometimes you can get a blockage in the adapter in the water bottle at the top. Let me know what happens. Regards.
Just to clarify, there are two hoses, a thinner black one that goes in the top and an opaque one that comes from the bottom of the water bottle. It says the black one I want to remove, isn't it? How long shall I run for? How long are you around today? Thanks.
Hi, yes, it's the hose that goes to the top, as the bottom is just the overflow hose. I will be online till about 11 p.m. tonight. So just let me know what happens. Regards.
Okay, that's been going for a while now and there's nothing out of the bucket, or dog food bowl.
Hi, okay, at any time do you hear the pump running? It doesn't run all the time, only at certain times. Regards.
I think I can, but I'm losing the will now. Can I get back to you tomorrow?
Hi, no worries, that's fine. Just a thought, when you replaced the pump, did you clean out the water chamber in the bottom? As usually loads of fluff can build up in there. So make sure all that's all clear. Then in the bottom of this is little slots going into the condenser chamber at the front. Make sure all this is clear as well. Pull the condenser chamber out and reach into the very back and try and clear out any fluff down there. Regards.
I wasn't getting anywhere with this, so I've had a professional out today who has confirmed that my new pump is faulty. A new one is being sent today, so fingers crossed it works.
Hi, okay, hopefully that will sort it, but seems strange to have a new faulty pump, but anything possible. Regards.
New one should arrive tomorrow, so can I let you know if it works?
That's fine, would like to know how you got on with it.
New pump arrived today and works like a dream. Thanks for all your help.
Hi, nice one, glad to hear it's sorted and thanks for letting me know. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.